Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm mrbobvin or Malika, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys everything I crocheted in the month of November. I literally only crocheted bucket hats in one bag, but of course I'm gonna show you guys everything that I made. Obviously, why am I repeating? Anyway, let's get right into it. So to start off, I wanted something super fall, so I got this yarn. I don't even know what it is. Maybe I do. Homespun yarn. That's what I got. So it looks like this. So I wanted it super fall-y, you know, because obviously it's November and fall and then Thanksgiving. So I made this bucket hat. This was actually a test hat to see how the yarn would look in bucket hat form, and then I ended up actually liking it. So this is how it looks. Like, it's super cute. I need to make more of these. These are really cute. I love this material. I mean, fiber. Yeah, anyway, I love this. I didn't really try it on when I first made it, so this is my first time really seeing how I look with it, and I am in love. I really need to make more with this yarn. This yarn is 98% acrylic and 2% other fiber. They literally didn't say what the other fiber is. It literally says other fiber. But that's the first hat I made in the month of November. I need to wear this out. Imagine if I put like fur yarn around this too. That would be so cute. Okay, anyway, the next one I made was with the yarn. Oh, the sweater's right here. How perfect. The next hat I made was with this yarn. So it looks like this. So this is actually knitted and this is crocheted. So that's how it looks. That's the difference, I guess, between crochet and knit. And the hat looks like this, which is really cute. And some of my hats are kind of like folded and wonky because it's been in a bag since I finished it, and this was the beginning of November. So imagine if I wore it with this. That would be so cute. Oh my gosh, that would be so cute. Okay, anyway, yeah, so this is the second hat I made in the month of November. Then I wanted to start making my anime-ish type of hats. So I have the Katsuki logo from Naruto, and I made that into a bucket hat. But with this hat, this was actually a test hat. My first this was a test hat as well. And then after I made this hat, I realized that I didn't want it to fan out like this. So this hat kind of flares out more than the rest of my hats, but either way, it's still cute. I still like it. It's so cute. I love bucket hats, especially now since it's the winter time coming up. You can like wear a hat to keep your head warm. It doesn't have to be a beanie, because these hats, I guess since it's acrylic, it keeps my head warm. So it's so cute. Okay, so that's this hat that I made in November, obviously. Then the next one I made, of course, it's Naruto himself, and this is how it looks. And it's so nice. I can't wait to actually go places where I can wear these hats, because I don't go anywhere now. So I literally take pictures and then I toss it to the side, because I don't go anywhere to do anything for the hat to be seen. So I can't wait to actually start going out so I can wear these hats. Then the next hat I made was this Nike one, and it looks like this. And then I actually made a bag to match it, so it looks like this. So Nike hat, Nike mini messenger bag. So this, oh my gosh, I said this like you guys know what it is. So this is a mini messenger bag I just made. This is 8 by 8. My regular messenger bag, it's 10 by 9.5, so it's really big. So I wanted to make a smaller version because that was always my plan, honestly. And when I go out and I have a small project, I don't want to have to bring my big messenger bag. So let's say I'm working on a bucket hat, which is a very small project, I can just carry it in my mini messenger bag instead of clunking around a big messenger bag, and it's still cute, and I can still do all of the anime patches, cartoon patches, of course. So, you know, it's still cute, small, I can still carry my projects, and that's that. So that's the bucket hat I made, and then that is the only messenger bag I made in the month of November. I also made this mini bucket hat for Onyx, so she can match, my Nike one. Let me get it out again because I literally just put it up. So I made this Nike one that you guys just saw, and then I made her a cute little Nike one as well. Oh, and I can see if she will. Let me put it on her. Oh, Fury's looking at me, so let me see if I can get him. Okay, I got Fury. Jeez. So that's how it looks. And that's the hat I made for her. So thanks, Fury. So I don't know, for my next 3 hats, I don't know why I thought of it. No, I got the patches because I was like, oh my gosh, these patches are so cute. And then I was like, oh my gosh, I can turn them into bucket hats. So I bought like 3 shades of, no, not like, I did buy 3 shades of brown yarn because the patches are different colors. Oh wait, well, I did buy 3 shades of brown yarn, but I actually ended up doing a hat black because it went with it. Anyway, so I'll just show you guys, and it came out so cute, and then I'll show you guys the other version of the ones I'm about to show you. Anyway, so we have this hat that I made. It's so cute. So I got this patch, and then I was like, oh my gosh, I can just turn it into a bucket hat. So I bought brown yarn, and I wanted this bear to go with like dark yarn. I thought that would look cute, and it does. And then that's how it looks on me. It's so cute. I think this one is my favorite one. I don't know why. I think it's the black. I think it's the dark brown with the dark-ish bear that just makes it so cute. Oh my gosh. Hello. And so that.
How are you? Sorry.
My mom interrupted me because she got a call. Scram, lady! And so the next hat I did was the black one because it's a white bear, and then I was looking to put it on a brown hat, well, brown yarn. But then I was like, no, it would be cute with the black yarn, and so I got this. Is there a lint? Yeah, there is. See, black yarn, everything catches on black yarn. Dust particles from nowhere catches on black yarn. Anyway, so this is the hat I made with the white bear, and it looks like this on me. So cute. I'm obsessed with bucket hats now. I don't know why, I don't know where it came from, but I am obsessed, and I think this is so freaking cute. Like, are you kidding me? This is so cute. I don't know, the black looks good. I don't know if I have a favorite right now. Anyway, so that's this bucket hat. And then I made one more hat because the bear patches I got came with 4 patches of 4 different colors, but one patch was like peach-ish, and I was like, I don't feel like trying to figure out how to match that with a yarn, so I just didn't use that one. So I just used the white one, the dark brown one, and then this light brown one. It's so cute, and I love this light brown one because the texture is different from the other 2 hats. The texture of the bear, his hair is curlier than the other 2, which I don't even know why, but it's so cute. And then it looks like this on me, and I love it. Like, I'm literally obsessed with bucket hats. Like, are you kidding me? And I'm so excited to show you guys the next 3 hats I made. I made a lot of hats. It doesn't take long to make hats, so that's why I got a lot done. I don't even know how many. I can count after. But the next 3 hats I'm getting ready to show you guys are literally so cute because it's these 3 hats, but with fur. Because I'm like, since they're bears, why not add fur on them? So I'm super excited to show you guys because they came out so cute, and I actually like them better than the regular ones, the regular brim without fur. So let me show you guys. Okay guys, I can't find a lint roller to save my life. I wanted to lint roll it before I showed you guys the hat. But oh, get the hat. Sunny's right here.
He ate his snacks and now he's in a food coma.
Yeah. So anyway, I'm excited to show you guys because they are so cute. Anyway, okay, drum roll please. Okay. Ding. This is so cute. Are you kidding me? It just adds to it. Like, I don't know, it's so much better than a regular one. Like I said, it's just perfect. It's like it needed this finishing touch to make it perfect. And I will show you guys how it looks on me. Ta-da! It's so cute. Then you can like tilt it back a little bit so it's not all in your eye. If you don't want it to be all in your eye, if you don't care, you can just shift it forward and it could be in your eye. You can even maybe curl it if you want to, do something weird like that. I don't know. I just know that this is amazing and so cute. Okay, next hat. So the next one is the medium brown hat, and it looks like this. Are you kidding me? This is so cute. Oh my goodness. And I don't even know how I had the perfect yarn to go with it. I bought this fluffy yarn literally months ago, and I never used it because I was actually supposed to use it for something else, and then I ended up changing my mind, and full circle, it's here on this beautiful hat, and it looks like this. Oh. So again, if you don't want it all in your face, you can just push it back a little bit so you can still see, and it's still cute. If you don't care, you can just have it like this. And that's this one. Oh, and by the way, don't tell anybody this, but I didn't feel like sewing on my bears, so I literally velcroed it on instead of having to sew it on because I just didn't feel like doing it. So I was just like, let me velcro it so I don't have to sew it. Good. Right? There's this one. Daddy. Oh, that's super cute. So that's this.
It's so cute.
Anyway, the final hat, the dark brown one.
Hello guys.
Anyway, so the final hat, I was kind of scared about this one because the yarn I got, it didn't look like it matched it, and it kind of doesn't really match the bear, but it still goes with the vibe of the entire hat, so it doesn't really matter. I'm just a perfectionist and I want like everything to match. Exactly. But it's really cute. Anyway, let me show you guys. Ta-da! This is so cute. Yeah, really Are you kidding me? Okay, let me put it on.
Sorry guys,
This is so cute. So this fuzzy yarn specifically is so thick. It's Lion brand. Go for faux, thick and quick. It is thick. It is super thick. And it's so thick that it's curling it like it has ruffles, and I kind of like it. So it's like a bucket hat and like a ruffly one too. I think that's a cute little touch. Again, you can just push it back if you don't want all of that fur in your face. You can have it like this, and it's Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. I don't think you guys understand. I am obsessed. Okay. Okay, anyway, I literally sell all of my hats on copydolls at copydolls.com, so I will have these hats up if you guys want to buy that. And I only have the Akatsuki, Naruto, Nike, and then the 3 bears. So those are the hats I have on the site. I don't have the one that looks like this or the other, the first one I showed. I don't have that because that was just a little test. Anyway, so that's, oh, I can't stop looking at myself. Anyway, that's all I made in a month of November. Anyway, that's literally all I have for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!